Wakirikato kigene gwikinyitie mbere ya ndundu iri rathuri mucirithania Philip Tunoi thutha wake kugwetwo irua-ini riria Geoffrey Kiplagat andikite.
I, Katwa Kigen Joseph, swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give before this tribunal.
Kigen ningi nireganite na uhoro ati we niwe wateithiriria hari gucenjania wa ihaki ria ciringi milioni 200 gatagati ka gavana Evans Kidero na mucirithania Philip Tunoi kiriri-ini kia maguta guku Nairobi.
I was not with the judge in Eneka and I did not go to that petrol station.
And he says the following at paragraph 52, that Kiprop alighted and walked with a very heavy big brown briefcase, which he gave to Katwa Kigen, that is yourself.
That incident never happened.
Kigen ningi akauga ati we oe Kiplagat ta murata uria ateithagiriria na njira ya kumuhe mbeca amwitia.
But yes, I know you would really ask for help every occasion that we would meet, either when we stumbled on each other or otherwise he would take the initiative of looking for me, and yes, I would assist him, and I would have said that he's clearly my friend by reason of my having been in touch with him, having related with him, the type of assistance he gave generally in the other case.
Oho ni atitithietie ati we ndari acemania na gavana Evans Kidero kwarĩrĩria igũrũ rĩa ihaki rĩu. Kigen ũrĩa ũcokire gwĩtia gĩikaro gĩake eheri-inĩ arenda kũng'ethanĩra na Kiplagat mbere ya ndundu ĩyo.
Kiplagat probably constructed his narrative excluding me and later on brought me in. He just fantasized that it would be desirable for his machinations to bring my name, and that is why my name and my role in this transaction is completely illogical. No
cira uria ugatuithanio wa gatano iguru ria kana mucirithania Philip Tunoi ni agirirwo ni gutiga wira kumana na ukuru wake waya kuhinga na njira nene gikaro kiu.
He kept saying, "Oh, I can't get transport." I told him to use a taxi and I refunded his costs of taxi.
Cira ucio wacoketio riko ni Tunoi uria wina ukuru wa miaka 72 akiregana na itu ria cirithania gutiga wira mari na ukuru wa miaka 70.
Mr. Mbogwa, who is the managing editor.
Agemekinyirie mbere ya ndundu iyo ni andiki a mohoro a kambuni ya Nation Media cikaro icio igetanyo gucokereria wake kiumia turorete.
Cikaro cia guthuthuria mucirithania Philip Tunoi cia kurikirira kiumia turorete uriri Kennedy Bidali atanyitwo gwikinyia mbere ya ndundu iyo. Ndundu ningi nitanyitwo kana na ripoti yayo kuri President Uhuru Kenyatta. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwara kwa Macharia wa Gachuru.